What's up everyone, Allan Morrow here and welcome to this Sylenth1 Trance Bass sound design tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create many different trance basses from scratch, such as your sub basses, mid basses, top basses, distorted basses and more. I'll be showing you how to make your bass patches more punchy and balanced through the use of retrig and frequency positioning. I'll also be showing you how I frequency split oscillators with filters for more dynamic basses, as well as showing you how to shape your basses with the ADSR and filters for the different types of basses you may want to create. I'll also be showing you different ways to create movement with your bass sounds through the use of LFOs, mod envelopes and effects, so that you have a deep understanding of how to create your own unique bass sounds. All of this will be done in a way that not only shows you how to create your own bass sounds, but also why its parameters changed and what it is doing to the sound. So if you want to start creating your own bass sounds from scratch or want a much better understanding of how to manipulate your basses, then go grab your copy now at allanmorrowstudios.com.